Hello everyone, welcome back for the next process to complete to get the official AWS exam voucher for appearing for the global certification examination. I hope you have completed all steps those are given earlier in the videos like step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the previous video, if you are able to recall, we landed on this page wherein it was showing like two tabs, details, outline and enroll. We have gone through all these tabs in detail, and now here is the time for subscription and go ahead with the contents. Before we start enrollment, I would like to tell you, if you are prepared for the examination and if you are having at least 3 hours with you, at least 3 hours, okay, probably you may complete it within that, but by any means if you need some extra time, I would recommend once you enroll, try to complete the complete course. Okay, do not leave this in between. So once you enroll, you start doing the complete process that is given, elaborated, and then you may get the free voucher within 3 working days on your mail ID, registered mail ID. So I am enrolling for this course. Let us see what the things are there. And now here, as you are able to see, we have to start with this course. When we come on to this page, we have to remember we are not here, okay, on this tab to learn about AWS Cloud Practitioner global examination preparation. We are here to get the exam voucher. Okay, so I will be starting with this. Before I start with, you can check out what the contents are given. To begin this course, choose start button. Okay, it has given all the instructions. Fine, you can check on all these things. Fine, if you want to. Otherwise you can directly start with. So there are completely two modules. Module 2, it is about the completion confirmation. Once you complete the module 1, it will go for the module 2. Likewise. So we have to complete all these things. So just now we clicked on this and it is showing like it has been completed. So we may start with the process. We may start with the course. We'll go. Now here, as you are able to see, it has given course overview. You can go through all these details. All the details you can go through. I recommend everybody to go through all these details. Now I will go for the lesson number 3. Right, I will go for this lesson number 3. Launching a practice examination. Launching a practice examination. And now here on this side you may be able to see like we have completed how to use this course module, introduction module, and we have started with module 1, that is overview and instructions, official practice examination. So launching a practice examination. Now here we are at the launching of practice examination. We may be able to see like how we start with the examination. Step 1 is given, choose practice examination. Then you will be able to see to new tab, which is a bench prepare tab, which will take you for the practice examination. And here they have given the guidelines how to complete the process, like what the tabs are there, what the meaning is there, and which one to choose. Navigation part is given here. So it will help you to understand in detail what the process we have to follow. Fine. So we have completed all the processes. We have completed all the step 7. And now here we can start with the next part of this particular test. Then here they have given some guidelines to answer a question, select your answer and all. So timers are given. Information, I meant to say, you can check out on the all tabs, flag question, notes icon. Even they have given explanation for the correct questions, wrong questions. So the test, how they have formulated the test contents and all. So they have given all the brief here. So we can go for next part, that is lesson number 5. As here we are able to see reviewing your practice exam results. We can go for the next part, that is continue. You may review the questions. If you want to review some questions, even you can review. All the navigations are given here. You can go in detail for that. You can check for correct answers. You can check for incorrect answers. Even you can retake a practice examination. You can reset the practice examination as well. So they have given all the steps how we can retest, how can we take the retest. You can see the score as well. And if you have any concerns or doubts, you can go to contact us button over there. And here they have given like lesson number 10, download a copy of overview. On this page, you will be able to see there is a exam preparation official practice exam instruction PDF. You can download this for your kind referral. So wherever you want, you can save it over there. Then official practice exam is about to begin now. After going through all these details, I request everybody not to go every step in hurry. You may need little attention to see the instructions, and once you download this particular practice test guide, you may check out the guide as well. So this is the overview and instructions official practice exams. Total 16-page document is there. You may go through all the details before you attend for the practice test. This will help you to understand the process step by step. Even any problems you are going through, for example, then that also it can resolve. So I kindly request everybody to check before you start with the practice test. So you may check out this particular document. Now I am starting with this practice exam. Practice exam. I would like to tell you about like practice exam. This exam is on similar lines prepared for the global certification exam as well. I mean, the questions those are given in this particular test are very much in line with the with the final examination. So you can definitely can get the feeling of like you are giving the final examination. Yes, now here you are able to see like dashboard, notes and flags. Okay, so here we are supposed to check out on what the things we have to complete to get the free voucher. Fine. So I will try to complete the exam first, and then I will prepare for the examination. Okay, when we come on this page, what we see that here we have three different tabs: dashboard, notes and flags. On the dashboard we are able to see the progress of what the contents we complete. Then we are able to see the results. Then we have products and reports. In the products, now the product will show you the name of particular exam test that you are supposed to appear, that you have taken. Now here we have taken only one exam test, so it is showing only one product, that is Certified Cloud Practitioner, and previous score results. So we have to take this examination, so we can go for this. And now if suppose you are, I guess you are able to understand, like the product length means number of questions, product time is nothing but 1 hour 30 minutes. So we are going to get 65 MCQ kind of questions, and product time, that means the exam test duration is 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. So status is blank because we have not done anything. Now in the see more option, what we are able to see, we'll see. Here we can extend the time. Like let us say you are not that way confident that you are not able to complete within 1 hour 30 minutes. So you can extend time even by maybe 25, 25% or 50% or twice. That way you can extend the timelines. And even you can review the answer. If I make it on, I can review my answer. Whatever I have given the answer, it will review and give you some comments on that. So that will help you to clarify your doubts. So now I'm not changing the total time, I'm keeping as it is. I'm just now making the flag on for the review answer. And now we'll go for attending the test. But I recommend you all that once you are ready, only once you are ready to have 1 hour 30 minutes in your hand, 1 hour 30 minutes in your hand, then only you start with the examination. Okay, so now we'll start with the examination. So it will take around more than 1 hour or 30 minutes for completing the examination. So here are the questions. So you may attend all the questions. There are complete 65 questions, as you are able to see here. If I suppose randomly select any particular question and I say confirm, then it will give me explanation as well. So for all options it will give me the explanation, and it will give me link as well. Like for this particular answer what I selected, it was wrong, right? So why it was wrong, and how the things you can clarify in more in detail, you can go to that link and you can check out. So here likewise you can definitely check on your contents, check on your knowledge, enhance your knowledge. Even for correct answers it gives you explanation, and again for more information it gives you link. So likewise for all the options it gives you all the information. So likewise you can complete the test, and the score is very much important. You have to complete and achieve the score that is mandatory given over here. And once you get that particular score, you get onto another page. So I hope you have understood how to take the examination, and after completing examination you will be getting landed on the previous page. That is wherein we have started this particular examination, that is completion confirmation. We can go back to this. Once you complete this, you may redirect it to this particular page of completion confirmation. Okay, so let me complete the examination. Okay, after completion of this examination, we can able to see like the answered question status as well as the preview for that. If you want to have the preview of any given particular question and its answer, you may check out. Otherwise you can go for submission of all the questions. So I have attended all 65 questions. And now let us say I want to submit my quiz. So I have reviewed my answers and I would like to submit them. Now here submit answers. Once you submit, you may not be able to revert back your all questions, and you can't undo any of the answers. So the progress is showing like 100% test is completed. Now we can see the score. What the score I have for this? Yes, domain scores I can check. I can check for the domain scores. Yes, now here cloud concepts. See, domain I meant to say AWS Cloud Practitioner Global Examination have certain set of domains for which they focus few questions. The first domain you can call it as cloud concepts. Second domain is security and compliance. Third domain is cloud technology and services. Fourth domain is billing, pricing and support. So for AWS Cloud Practitioner basic level examination, AWS has 4 different domains, and out of that it focuses on multiple different parameters. Let us say for cloud concepts it has complete 4 different parameters. So I have met, as per the requirements, I have met the marks. So I can get what we can say, what the examination voucher is required for the global examination. So here I can see my final score as well, and I can see how much average time I have spent for each particular question. 19 seconds I have spent. Outcome of this examination is pass. Overall score I have 875. See, this score is out of 1000. So 700 is the passing score, and you have to score more than 700. So this examination I have completed successfully. So likewise you have to complete the test. You can view all the items here, item details, like which question went wrong, the review also you can check, like what happened with this question and all, right? So likewise you can have checking of all the contents. So for all particular questions. So here dot means what? And this question is unscored, means a few questions they keep like without a score. They just ask you the question and check your knowledge. They won't assign any score for that, kind of marks for that. And few questions are like they assign more marks for that particular question. So depending on that, you have to attend the examination and complete the things. So after this, okay, after completion of this, what I have to do? I have to go to the previous part, right? I have to go to the previous part. So go to AWS Skill Builder. Go for this. Few of you may be very much expert for the conceptual parts, so you may finish this test within maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It depends on how speedily you take the test and you complete the things. So here you may check out on various different practitioner related courses. So I will come back to this particular part for learning, but before that let me complete the task that we already are in between. So go back to the previous tab. So now as I'm able to see, I have completed the practice examination. Go for the completion confirmation. Completion confirmation. So start the quiz. And now here it will ask you only one question. Did you successfully complete this practice exam? And yes, I have completed my examination with the satisfaction. So I have to click this. and then submit. And it will give you the message, congratulations, you can retake this practice exam as many times as you want. So once you give the examination, it won't be the only for one time. You can appear for this examination multiple times. You can see the result score. As you are able to see, I have completed everything. Okay, all the modules are marked as done. So I will go to return to outline. Okay, so don't use this tab, use this tab, return to outline. Many a times in rush we by mistakenly click that previous tab, so it won't work. So here it will take you to the next phase automatically. Feedback you have to fill in. Overall, how satisfied are you with the learning experience? I am very much satisfied. So I will go for the view next, and now I will get the completion certificate. View and download. So you can see this. So this is the certificate that I get after completion of this particular test. It is not a global certification. It is not a global certification. Kindly understand. So like this, something you will get as the certificate. And now I have completed everything. So complete part is done. Complete part is done, and I may receive some mail within let us say 5-10 minutes, or maybe within an hour, that I have completed 100% the free exam voucher practice test, and I will be able to get the free voucher within couple of hours, or maybe couple of days. So normally it gives you exam voucher within 3 working days. So thank you so much for watching, and next part of how to get the exam voucher and how to book the examination, that part we'll see in the next particular video. Thank you so much.